I'm going to admit all. Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to County Court A9. Deputy Butler, do you want to make your announcements?
Your Honor, Butler is out. We have another gentleman, but I don't think he's connected yet.
Okay, all right, then we'll just move on. All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to County Court 9. I'm going to call the docket our normal way by appearance of the attorneys, and so we'll just get moving right now. The first is Fernando Ramos. If you'll please give me the name of your client and the cause number, please.
Yes, ma'am. First one would be Joseph Mauricio, caught on page 2, fourth from the bottom, 644-981.
Okay.
I tried to reach him. I left phone calls. I sent him
everyone,
Zoom
please stay
invitation.
muted. Everyone, please stay muted. We can't have any other noise because it's very hard to hear.
Yes.
Everyone, stay muted, please.
I don't know how to do muted.
That case should be a plea, Judge, as soon as he appears.
On Jesus Rodriguez, okay?
That's
All
on
right.
Joseph Mauricio, Judge.
Why did I? Oh, I'm putting it on the wrong line. Sorry, Joseph Mauricio. Okay.
And I have some others. On page 4, third from the bottom, Devon Richardson, a criminal trespass, and also on page 8, second from the top. First one is 660-424.
660-124. Okay. The next
424,
one.
Judge. I'm sorry.
424. Okay.
And then 666-739. That's on page 8.
Page 8. Okay, and that was named.
That's Devon Richardson. We're hoping to take a plea on those 2 cases, Judge.
Okay. All right. So both of those are pleas. I am hearing some noise. I don't know what that is. It's very hard to hear Mr. Ramos over that noise. All right. So, and Mr. Mauricio and Ms. Richardson are here. Is that right?
Mr. Richardson is here. I haven't seen Mr. Mauricio, Judge.
Okay. All right.
Then I have some others.
Okay.
Jaden Aguilar, very famous. He's got 6 felonies with no attorney. 4 cases I have, and Kelly Green has 4 cases.
Are you hired on those, Mr. Ramos?
No, I am not appointed. Kelly Green is hired on 4 misdemeanors and 1 felony appears.
Okay.
She made bond on some cases.
Okay, so we'll see if Miss Green wants to take all those, right?
Well, we can't do anything because there's no attorney on the felony cases, Judge.
There's no attorney on the felony case.
That is
but
correct.
she is hired on the misdemeanors, right?
She is. It appears she made the bonds on 4 misdemeanors and at least 1 felony. Her name appears on one of the felonies.
Yeah. Well, so, I just think for efficiency and for best due process, they should just all be under one lawyer. And if she's hired on the others, I think we'll just let her have all 8.
I think the felony case will probably be more important than,
Oh, are you on the felony? No, right?
I am not, Judge.
Okay.
There is no, other than Kelly Green, she has 1 felony case.
Oh, okay. All right. Well.
And the last 2 cases I have, Judge, are 670-247, page 8, last entry, James Isaiah Jackson.
Jackson, okay.
and 671-282, page 9, the last entry. He has Kanan James Jackson.
Okay, same
Also,
person probably, right?
I was hoping Michael Young has two cases. I was hoping that the last time we were here, I was hoping he would take I could not contact him, and I'd like to talk to him, see maybe he'll take those two cases.
Okay, yeah, I think that's a good plan. All right, so all of these, Mr. Mauricio is not here, but Richardson is here. Aguilar is here.
I suppose he is here, Judge.
Okay.
He's in custody. Oh, no, he's on
Okay.
bond. I'm sorry.
Okay.
He is on bond.
And then Jackson, is
Jackson is
here?
in jail on at least one case, so
Okay, so we got both, or bond is Aguilar, but Jackson's in jail.
that's correct,
Okay.
Judge.
And Richard
We'd like
is
to
here.
confer for Richardson.
Okay, we'll go ahead and give you a breakout room momentarily, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Dave Sanchez?
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
I'm here as a recall from yesterday.
And Mr. Rodriguez, okay?
Yes, correct. We got a new offer. I talked to my client. He's going to accept that. I can just get a breakout room with Mr. Lowry.
Okay. Well, they keep notes so they can confer with each other if you've conferred with Mr. Lowry before.
That's fine.
But we'll give you a breakout room right now, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Julie Pollock?
Yes, Judge, I'm here on Riley Christian.
Okay.
Case number 655309. I did see him on this meeting.
All right.
I was told yesterday the court did not file.
I'm present, Julie.
Okay, thank you. We're marking you present. All right, I'm sorry, Miss Pollock. What were you saying? The court what?
I was told yesterday the court did not have a file.
Okay, so we'll just go ahead and reset that now. Let's reset that to January 5.
Thank
Do
you,
you have
Judge.
any other cases with us today, Miss Pollock?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then you and Mr. Christian are excused. Have a wonderful afternoon. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Daniel Garcia?
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
I'm here for Mr. Joel Diaz. I believe he's here, Your Honor.
Okay. And do you have a cause number on his case?
Yes, the cause number, it's on page 8, Your Honor. The cause number is 669756.
Okay. All right. And what do you want to do on that today?
I'd like to confer with the state.
All right. We'll give you a breakout room any second now, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Joseph Stateson?
Hello, Judge. I'm here for another attorney, Monica Guerrero. She
Okay.
and Patricia Guerrero. We had applied for PTD, and on September 20th of this year, she was accepted into PTD. We're awaiting the dismissal. I've already emailed Beatrice Chavez asking for an update, and I'm just seeing if we can just maybe do another 30-day reset. We're expected dismissal soon.
Let's do it for December the 9th, okay?
Yes. Thank you, Judge. And I will say Patricia Guerrero had made every appearance in the past. She's a nurse. She couldn't make it today, but we have excellent contact with her.
All right, not a problem. I'll mark her present anyway. Thank you very much, Mr. Stateson.
Thank you, Judge.
If you have nothing further, you're excused. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Paul Acevedo.
Yes, Judge, I am here on Nadia Escamilla Mancha. Paul's number is 660815.
Okay, is she here?
She should be signed on, Your Honor. Nadia, can you hear us?
I'm present.
All right, thank you.
She's under Cricket at Influence.
Okay.
Judge, I was going to ask for another setting. There's a potential felony pending.
Okay. All right, let's reset that then for Are you think you'll be retained on the felony or?
Your Honor, I am retained on the felony. I apologize.
Okay, all right, let's go ahead and reset that for January 5.
January 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nadia, did you hear that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so January 5th. Nadia, do me a favor, call me as soon as we check out.
Okay.
Okay.
You're excused, Mr. Acevedo, thank you, and Ms. Mancha can also leave at this time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Call me, Nadia.
Okay, we are in court, so we need to keep our comments between the court and the attorney. Julia Hernandez.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
It's my understanding that my client is present in the courtroom.
Okay, and yes, that's probably correct.
I
What is
wanted
your client's name?
Simon Castillo.
Okay.
He's on page 4.
And cause number?
And the cause number is, he has several cases, 659677.
That's good enough. I just need one. Okay.
He has a felony pending as well, Judge.
All right. Are you the attorney on the felony?
No, Judge.
Okay, then we're going to reset that for December 9. Okay?
Thank you. May we be excused, and can someone let him know in the courtroom?
Yes. Who's the deputy in our courtroom today?
Your Honor, that would be Ben Ramos.
Okay, Deputy Ramos, will you please excuse Simon Castillo? Tell him to
Yes,
stay in
ma'am.
touch with his attorney. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Hernandez. Have a great day. Take care.
You
Adam Cardenas?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here representing Mr. Stephen Valdez. His case number is 661690. He is present.
Thank you. And what would you like to do, Mr. Cardenas?
To confer with Mr. Lowry, we've been working on a deal. My client has fulfilled a few of the conditions already.
Okay, all right. We'll get you in a breakout room in any second now. Just watch for that prompt, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Vanessa Garcia.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
I am here. First, I'll do Cole Nettles' case.
Okay.
We're here on Vernon Hughes, cause number 670319. He is present here, and we are asking for a reset. We are hired on the felony as well, and we're asking for more time to resolve both.
Okay, that's a felony pending. We'll reset that to January 5, okay?
Thank you.
All right, next.
Next would be Mr. Paul Ferris. He is present, and that is cause number 657408, and I do need to confer with the state on that case.
All right, we'll give you a breakout room any second, and you can
Thank you, Your Honor. And then I have 2 more for you.
Oh, okay.
So I have Mr. Gian Garza, cause number 664987. He is not present today, Your Honor. We were just notified by his wife that he's been diagnosed with liver failure, and the doctors have given him only 3 months to live. So we would ask maybe for a reset to next year to see if anything changes with his health situation.
Yeah, let's reset that to January 18. Hopefully that will be a good setting.
Thank you, Your Honor. And then last but not least, Kimberly Rodriguez, cause number 670339. That one, Your Honor, we were just hired, so we have just been added into the system as her attorney, so we have not had access to the discovery. So we would just ask for a reset to be able to download everything.
Let's come back on December 8th on Mr. Rodriguez, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so you're going to confer on Paul Ferris, and you will get that assignment any second, okay?
Thank you. May Mr. Vernon Hughes and Miss Kimberly Rodriguez be excused?
Yes, they are excused, and they're welcome to log off at this time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Judge, may I interrupt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is Gary Trichter on Ashley Capero. I wouldn't interrupt, Your Honor, except I have a 3-hour trip to make to go to Williamson County today.
Okay.
And my meeting there is at 1:30 with the prosecutors. We just need to confer with the prosecutors. We sent them some information yesterday. I'm sure the case will resolve itself in a plea.
Okay.
If you could give us a date in December, that'd be great.
All right. Give me the name of your clients, please.
Ashley Capero, and she is online.
Okay. And give me a cause number.
Cause number 650225.
Okay.
She's on page 3.
All right, you just want to reset on that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's come back, December the 9th, all right?
December 9. Thank you, Your Honor. Are
Thank
we
you.
excused?
Yes, you're excused. You all can both log off. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mick Aguilera.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
I have the pleasure of representing Pete Almedia.
Okay.
He is not currently on. He has technology issues. He was in my office at the last setting. I tried to reach out to him and his cell phone had turned off.
Oh, okay. All right, well.
I do anticipate, I mean, I've been in contact up with him until about 2 weeks ago. I'm assuming it's a financial issue with the phone.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, so you can't get a hold of him on the phone?
Not
right.
This morning, Judge, but I had been in contact with him a couple of weeks ago.
All right. So what is his cause number on one of the cases?
664687. It's on top of page 6, on the top 3 or 4, page 6.
All right. What did you want to do on this today?
Well, I have an offer. It involves him doing some stuff in advance.
Okay.
The last time I did visit with him, he understood what he needed to do to get this offer in advance, but I have lost contact with him the last couple of weeks.
All right. I will reset it to December 8th, but he needs to be sure. If he can't use his phone, then he needs to come to the courthouse.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Aguilera. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Have a great day. Take care. Okay. Kelly Green. I thought she was here. Kelly Green, maybe she's busy on something else. I'll come back. Sharon Thorne?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I'm always on mute. I'm here. My client is Esteban Garcia. He's here. We were reset from last week. There is a plea offer. I need to speak with the state. We might have a counter.
All right. We'll go ahead and send you to a breakout room, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Arlene Gay?
Good morning.
Morning.
I have Emmanuel Hernandez, second page, first case. On the second page, 634178.
Okay.
I do not see him here. I had just spoken to him. We have a PTD application that he's in the process of filling out.
Okay.
Last time we were here, we got a recommendation of PTD.
Okay.
And
So I'll reset that to December 8th, but I do need for Mr. Hernandez to at least show up for 2 seconds so I can mark him present. So if you can get him on the phone and have him come in just momentarily.
I will.
Okay, great. So December 8th is when you need to come back on that, Ms. Gay, and I will look for Mr. Hernandez to pop in, okay? Thank you. All right, Keith Engelke.
Good morning. I'm here representing Juliana Cano, and she's on page 9, about the third case down.
Okay.
Case number is 670300.
Okay.
And she has a felony pending, and there's no attorney on the felony. So
There is no attorney on the felony?
That's correct.
Oh, okay. But you're appointed on her case in this court, right?
That's correct.
Okay. All right, well, let's just reset that. Let's reset that to December 14.
Okay.
Okay.
She's in the courtroom, or I'm sorry, she's here by Zoom.
I marked her present. Okay.
Okay. They'll both be excused then?
Yes, Mr. Engelke, you and Ms. Connolly can leave. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Ronald Fenari.
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
David Johnson, cause number 655902.
Okay. And is Mr. Johnson here?
I just spoke with him and he was trying to log on.
All right. Well, we'll see.
I see him, Judge. I see him on there.
Okay, great. Marked him present. Okay, Mr. Fenari, what do we want to do on this today?
I would like to confer, please, Judge.
All right. We'll give you a room. Thank you.
Thank you.
Brian, thank you. Brian de la Rosa?
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning.
Lo and behold, I still have not had contact with Miss Reyna. I think this is like her 5th criminal trespass charge. So that's about all I got for you, Judge.
Okay.
I'm hoping we'll catch up with her. Well, hopefully not on her next offense, but I have a feeling that's what it's going to be.
Yeah, so she's homeless. What is her first name?
Ruby, RUBY.
And the cause number?
I believe I am here today on 670-314.
Okay,
But
that's
she also
fine.
has 4 other cases.
No, I just need one. Okay, Will, you have not been able to talk to her. And
The number is actually a live number. And when I called it, I kind of got the runaround, so I haven't attempted to call it back.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'm guessing
yeah.
I'm going to have to issue a warrant. I know that I really hate to do it, but this is
And
not
I
the
think-
first time she's not here.
Correct. And I think you've already forfeited her other bonds. So if she turns up, I think she'll be hanging out a little while longer this time.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, then we'll just leave it at that, Mr. De La Rosa. Do you have any other matters before this court?
Not today, Your Honor.
Okay, then you're welcome to log off, Mr. De La Rosa. You have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Kelly Green. I
Okay,
heard
Ms.
you
Green.
call my name, but I could not unmute myself. I'm here on Jaden Aguilar, page 5, 662-770. He has 4 cases.
Okay.
He's
I
got
know,
felonies pending.
Yeah, but no attorney on the felonies yet, right? You have one felony, right?
I have 1 felony, correct.
Okay. All right, Ms. Green, Mr. Ramos also has 4 of his cases, and we were
Correct.
talking about it. Would you be able to take those cases since you are hired on the felony, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Can we just put those all in your basket so that we can have one?
Yes, let's do that. It's
All right.
easier to do it that way.
Yeah, let's do that.
Work them all
great.
together.
All right.
All right.
So at this time, you just want to reset, or do you want to confer with the state?
I'm going to get a reset at this time.
All right, let's reset that to January 5.
Okay, very good.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Have a
good
great day. Thank you.
Judge, this is Brett. Could you make me a co-host, please?
Oh, of course, Brett. Sorry about that. Let me get you.
No, it's okay. I was late because of the auxiliary court docket.
Yeah, that's what we figured. So, thank you for helping us, for coming here. Okay, you take care. I think you should be co-host now, right? Did it work?
Yes, thank you, Judge. It worked.
Thank you. Okay. All right. So, David Cuellar.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present. My client is on as well.
All right. And what's your client's name?
Rodney Lazard, that's page 3, the 3rd from the bottom.
Okay. And the cause number?
655. I'm sorry, 656-671.
Okay. And he is present, right?
He is present, Your Honor.
Okay. What do you want to do on this, Mr. Cuellar?
Could I confer, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. You'll get a breakout room. Okay. We'll send you to a breakout room. Thank you.
Thank you.
Melissa Christian?
Morning, Judge. I have Mr. DeLeon. His case number is 666-087.
Okay.
It's on page 6 of your docket.
All right.
He has a felony pending to which I am appointed. It's a 1st degree out of the 379th, and it currently has no setting date.
All right. We'll reset this for January 5, okay?
Thank you, Judge. And he is in jail. May we be excused?
Yes. Okay, I'm not hearing. Who's talking? Mr. De Leon, you want to talk to Ms. Christian? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can we put you in a breakout room, Ms. Christian?
Actually, Judge, I'm due in Mag Court, so I will just schedule an ICS with Mr. DeLeon. I'm due in Mag Court on a capital, so I will reschedule with Mr. DeLeon and confer.
Okay, how soon do you think that'll be? Because I think he's waiting to hear.
It'll probably be tomorrow because I can't get one today.
That's fine. Okay, Mr. De Leon, okay?
Can y'all just, can I sign out some probation time or something right now?
Sir, you need to talk to your lawyer, okay? So hopefully she'll be able to get with you tomorrow, okay?
All right.
All right, thank you, sir. So, Mr. De Leon, you are excused, sir, and you can tell the deputy that you can log off. Miss Christian, thank you very much. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too, thanks.
Kurt Grancy? You're still muted, right? Mr. Grancy, I cannot hear you. You're muted, I think.
Sorry, Judge, there I am.
Okay.
Mr. Chandler, I saw was on the video.
Okay.
And he's got, I think, 2 cases. One is 658-207, and the other is
That's fine. I don't need another one.
he's got a felony. He's got a felony pending, and I believe he's going to get charged with another felony on possession of marijuana because they searched his place at the time of this arrest and found quantity of marijuana that would justify a felony charge. So I think we don't have a setting yet on the felony that he's currently charged with. It's a nightmare setting.
Okay.
All
right. So, and you're the attorney on the felony, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's come back January 5.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. You have a great day.
Yep.
All right. Dylan George.
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
I have, he's Joseph Alcaraz,
Okay.
and he is case number 650891.
Okay, Mr. George, please turn on your video. Okay, great. Okay, and is he here, Mr. Alcaraz?
I have not had any contact with him, Judge.
Oh, no contact? Oh, that's not good. Okay, how long have you been on his case?
Don't believe it's been very long.
Okay. All right, so, all right, we need to find out where Mr. Alcaraz is. Let's go ahead and just reset that for 30 days. Hopefully you can find out why he hasn't been in touch with you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so that'll be for December 8th.
Okay.
Do you have anything else, Mr. George?
No, Your Honor.
All right, then you're excused. Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay.
Michael Zamora?
Good morning, Your Honor. I need to confer with one of the ADAs on an off-docket matter.
Off docket? Okay. All right, so you don't want to give me the names of the...
Certainly. It's a Joseph Truitt. His SID is 112-5331. He just had a felony reduced down to a misdemeanor, so I think we can get both of them resolved.
Okay, great. Well, we're going to send you to a breakout room, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me see. Who else have I got that I have not called? Kyle Simpson.
Yes, Your Honor. I have Anna Oliveris. Her case number is 669-118, and she's on page 8, and she's in attendance.
Okay, great. What do you want to do on this case?
I can confer with the prosecutor if I could.
Okay, all right. We'll give you a breakout room, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. I see Fernando Ramos. Did you have a chance to confer? You're muted, Mr. Ramos.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Judge. I did, Your Honor, on Devin Richardson. ADA has sent an email to the felony ADAs. Evidently, those 2 cases have something to do with the felony cases, aggravated robberies she's got. So we're waiting on that. Kelly Green took all of the Aguilar cases.
Right.
And on James Isaiah Jackson, Michael Young has 2 cases. His associate is Brian O'Donnell. I haven't seen him. I'm hoping that they would take my 2 cases.
Yeah. I'm not sure he's on the docket today.
Yeah, he's got 2 cases on the docket.
Oh, okay. All right. So,
Under Brian O'Donnell is, I guess, the associate.
okay. All right. So basically, and he's court appointed on those, obviously, right?
The public defenders, yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'll ask him if he can take those other 2 cases on Mr. Jackson.
That'd be great, Judge.
So, that just leaves Mr. Mauricio. Did you have a chance to call him by any chance?
I've called him at least 3 or 4 times. I've sent the Zoom invitation. He hasn't responded.
Okay. Well, it's 20 minutes to 11. I'm going to wait till 11:30. If you can get him hold of him and tell him to come in, I can mark him present. Otherwise, I'm going to. I don't want to, but I may have to issue a warrant.
Understood, Judge.
Okay.
Otherwise, I don't have anything else left, Judge. And
Okay.
if
So-
Ms. Castillo needs me back, I can be here in a few seconds.
Okay. So let me see on Richardson has a felony pending, but
Correct.
you're not the attorney on the felony, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so we're going to reset that to January 5.
That's
Okay.
fine, Judge. That's great.
All right, and then you have a plea,
On Mauricio, but we can't find him.
right? Okay. Well, we can recall this for tomorrow, so we can do that plea. I'm going to do a bunch of pleas tomorrow.
Sure, Judge. That'd be
Okay,
fine.
so that'll be Wednesday. Okay. All right, so that'll take
on-
care of your cases, and Jackson will see about Mr. O'Donnell taking those.
That'd be great, Judge. May I be
Okay.
excused then?
Yes, Mr. Ramos, you have a wonderful afternoon. Take care.
Thank you,
Take care.
Judge.
Thank you.
Judge, may I approach briefly?
Yes, sir.
This is Kyle Simpson with Ana Oliveras. Is there any way that I can have her excused while I confer with the prosecutor and then I'll get with her?
Sure, Ms. Olivares, I'm going to excuse you and you can log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right. And you're waiting to confer. You're waiting for a breakout room or not? Okay, I guess you got it. Okay. Sean Farmer.
Hello, good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Adrian Bustos and John Frater. I've been unable to get a hold of Adrian Bustos. He's on the cause number 622602. And then for John Frater, I believe he has a felony pending.
Okay. You're the attorney on the felony?
No, I am not, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll just reset Mr. Freitas till December 9. And on Adrian Bustos.
Your Honor?
Yes.
My name's Xavier Ibarra, Judge, and he has hired me on both of his cases.
On both of those cases? Oh,
Uh-huh.
okay. Well, Mr. Farmer, I guess you didn't realize that, right?
I was here for John Frater, not Ibarra.
No, on Bustos.
Oh, for Bustos, okay.
On Bustos and Frater, right?
No. I'm just, well,
Okay. Confusing, right? So you're only hired on Adrian Bustos, okay?
yes, and he has 2 cases, and I'd like to confer with the state, and he is present.
Okay, let me.
He's on
do that.
iPhone.
And Javier Ibarra, okay. Okay, I marked him present. And on Mr. Frater, I've already reset you to December 9 on that, Mr. Farmer.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Excuse- I'm-
Mr. Ibarra,
Yes, Your Honor?
did you want to confer on Mr. Bustos? What do you want to do on that?
Yes, I'd like to confer, and I'm just being invited to a room right now, so,
Okay, great, all right,
and I'll get back with the court.
thank you. All right.
Excuse me, Judge.
Yes,
This is Mr. Frater. I think my attorney had exited the chat room. May I leave?
yeah, you want to be excused, Mr. Frater?
I was just asking, am I done with the court, ma'am?
Well, you can wait or you can go. If you need to be someplace, I'll be glad to excuse you.
Your Honor, may I approach I'm here. I was just gonna let him know that he can be excused. If you would allow him.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, you're excused. Thank you, Mr. Frater. Take care.
You too, man.
All
Thank you.
right. Mr. Daniel Garcia, did you get a chance to confer?
Your Honor, I did. And I've got some things to do in order to get an offer from the district attorney. So we would both pardon me, request 30 days, Your Honor, if it's
All right,
possible.
let's come back December 8th, okay?
Very good.
All
Are we
right, thank
excused,
you.
Your Honor?
Yes, sir, you are. You're welcome to log off. You and Joel Diaz. Okay?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Dave Sanchez is waiting for a plea, right? Oh, Dave Sanchez, yeah, on
Judge,
Jesus
we were here.
Rodriguez.
We were here just to confirm whether or not we were going to enter a plea. I believe we have. I'd like to, if possible, meet with you in a breakout room. I've asked Mr. Lowry if he's okay with that, and he is.
Okay.
So when you have an opportunity, Judge.
All right, let me mark you here that you're going to approach, and we will meet in a breakout room. Okay, let me see who else I need to call on.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Who is this?
This is David Cuellar, attorney.
Yes, Mr. Cuellar.
Your Honor, I'm in the breakout room. I'm still waiting for someone to come, I guess, confer with me. Is there any chance I could, my client could be excused? We're probably going to ask for one more reset for discovery reasons and things like that.
All right, let me see where you are.
I'm in 3.
Yeah, you're in room 8, right?
I think I'm in room 3, Your Honor. No, I'm sorry. You're right. Room 8.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
So, Mr. Boses might be able to come and talk to you, but you've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4 people ahead of you.
Okay.
But you're just asking for me to excuse your client so that he can go on?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sure. Rodney Lazard, you are excused, sir, and you may log off at this time. Just stay in touch with your lawyer, okay?
We're in good contact.
You're muted. All right, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. All right.
Morning, Judge. May I approach?
Yeah, let me just make one note here. 1 second. All right, yes, sir. Who's approaching?
Ray Lopez, Your Honor. I'm here on behalf of Antonio Ponce. I'm not sure if he's present on the Zoom or in the courtroom. Haven't been able to contact him. He does have a felony pending, which I do not represent him on.
Okay. What was his first name? Ponce?
Antonio
Ponce. Okay. And give me a cause number, please.
664392.
But you haven't been able to get a hold of him, is that right?
That's correct, Judge.
Okay. He has a felony pending?
Yes, Judge.
It's already pending. Okay.
It's awaiting indictment, and Mr. Kimbrough represents him on that.
Okay. Well, let me just go ahead and reset that for 30 days to December the 8th, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Thank you. All right. Okay.
Nora Martinez, Judge, on behalf of David Arriaga, we're requesting a reset. He does have another charge out of County Court 13, and this might be TIC'd into that case.
Okay. What is the name of your client again?
David Arriaga. I believe he's logged on.
Arriaga, okay, and he is present, okay. And he has another misdemeanor in 13.
That's correct. He's scheduled for October 29th on that one, so we can get a reset for after October 29th, so we can come back and confer with the prosecutor if we have to.
Okay, so at this time, we're resetting those for December 8th, okay?
Sounds good. Mr. Arriaga, December 8th, we'll come back.
Right, so Mr. Arriaga, you can log off at this time, sir. Stay in touch with your lawyer. Thank you, Ms. Martinez.
May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right, so who have I not called on that is an attorney waiting to make an announcement? Looks like I've got everyone now, okay? All right. I'm going to take a little break. I'm going to mute myself and,
I don't believe I got called, Miss
okay, what is your name?
Sarah Montejano.
Do you have a lawyer, ma'am?
Yes, Brian O'Donnell.
Oh, okay, yeah, we're waiting for him. Let me mark you down so that I'll show that you are here. Sarah Montejano?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Judge, can you hear me?
Yes.
This is Deputy Ramos. I still have Simon Castillo and Nettie Johnson in here.
Okay, Simon Castillo, who is his attorney, please?
That was Julia Hernandez, Your Honor.
Okay, I already talked to her, didn't I? And I think I reset that.
And Cliff, what's your last name? Garcia? Yeah, and I got Cliff Garcia.
Okay, let me see. Julia Hernandez on Simon Castillo. He's got a felony pending. I reset that to December 9. So Mr. Castillo is excused and he can leave. Just stay in
Excuse me,
touch
Your
with
Honor.
his, hold on. Stay in touch with Julia Hernandez, Mr. Castillo, okay? Okay. All right.
And then Nettie Johnson. She
Nettie.
has Dial.
Is the name of the attorney Dial?
Calderola.
Oh, Gail Calderola. Okay. Okay.
He is running a little late, Your Honor.
Right. So we're going to have to wait for Miss Calderola, for Mr. Johnson, or Miss Johnson. Simon Castillo's excused. We already talked to his attorney. Sarah Montejano does not have an attorney. Is that right? Sarah
No,
Montejano?
I have an attorney. It's Brian.
Oh, Brian O'Donnell. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
he's tied up in another court right now. You can
And then
wait for
Cliff
him.
Garcia for Ricardo
right.
Ramos' attorney.
Okay. Cliff Garcia. So on Sarah Montejano, you can wait for Mr. O'Donnell, or if you need to get to work, I can excuse you. Just stay in touch with your lawyer. Which do you want to do?
I do need to get to work.
Okay. I'm going to excuse you right now, and you can log off. I've made a notation of the time that I'm excusing you. So I will let Mr. O'Donnell know when he gets here, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Your Honor.
One second. Nettie Johnson, where are you? In the courtroom, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you wish to be excused now, or do you want to wait for your attorney? Nettie Johnson.
Did you want to speak to Nettie, Judge?
Yes. Bring her up, please.
Speak louder here, okay?
Okay, Ms. Johnson, your attorney is Gail Calderola. She's in another court right now. So I'm going to give you an option. You can leave and go to work or anything else you have to do, and I'll just mark you as excused. Or you're welcome to wait, whichever you want to do.
But this is my third time and I'm always here alone. So can this be resolved today, dismissed?
No, ma'am, I can't tell you that. You have to discuss everything with your lawyer. Your lawyer will take care of, advocating for you. I'm just giving you an option right now that if you need to go and take care of other things, I can excuse you. But if you need to wait, that's not a problem. You can just have a seat in the courtroom. Okay, that's not a problem, Ms. Johnson. Thank you. All right. And Cliff Garcia. Is Mr. Garcia there? You'll come forward, please.
Your Honor, that case was reset.
Cliff Garcia was reset?
Yes, Your Honor. I can give you the date.
Who is the attorney on that?
Rick Ramos.
Rick Ramos, okay.
That was December 2nd, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Garcia.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, your matter has already been rescheduled for another day. Your attorney talked to Ms. Castillo and agreed to a reset. So you will need to come back to court on December 2, okay? Please write that down. Stay in touch with your lawyer, sir. But I'm going to excuse you at this time, so you're free to leave, okay?
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
What time at?
I saw Eileen Gay.
Yes, Your Honor. This is Emmanuel Hernandez, page 2, the first case on the top. My client, Emmanuel Hernandez, is on Zoom. You wanted him to appear.
Great, thank you.
And he
Okay.
is present.
Is that iPhone on with a gray shirt?
He has his name. It's like
I see him.
green.
Great. All right. Okay, and did
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
and I reset you already, so I'm going to excuse Mr. Garcia, Mr. Hernandez at this time. Mr. Hernandez, thank you for showing up. I'm glad to mark you present, sir. It's very important when you have a court date. When you have a court date to please show up, because if you don't show up, then I have to do a bond forfeiture. That means you get arrested. We don't want that. That's just too much of a hassle, okay? So I thank you for coming in, and I'm very grateful that your attorney made sure you got here and I could see you, okay? But so at this time, I have reset your matter with your attorney to December 8th, okay? Just stay in touch with your lawyer. She's going to help you stay out of trouble and get this resolved in a good way, okay? All right. Thank you, Ms. Gate. Appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right,
Excuse
so
me, Your Honor.
who is talking to me?
My name is Asa Moore,
Okay, Mr. Moore, who is your lawyer?
Jerry Osterdorf.
Oh, Mr. Oltersdorf? Okay.
Mhm.
Tell me your name again.
Asa.
ASA?
Yes, ma'am. Last name.
Moore?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you're with Mr. Oltersdorf. Okay. He's tied up in another court right now. I'll give you a choice. You can wait for him, or I can excuse you if you need to get to work.
You can excuse me.
All right, sir. Mr. Moore, you are excused at 10:55. I will let your lawyer know, okay?
Okay, so I just keep in touch with him, right?
That's right, sir, but just remember, I'm gonna reset this. I don't know anything about this case, but I'm gonna reset it for December. I'm gonna reset it for December 9, okay? Just keep track of that date. Very important to show up, okay? And,
Okay,
all right, Mr. Moore, you have a good day. Take care.
You too.
Excuse me.
Okay. All right, let me see. Mr. Cardenas, you had a chance to confer, sir?
Sorry. Yes, Your Honor, we did. We've agreed on a plea bargain. I believe my client will accept it as well. It's being sent his way.
Okay. I'm going to ask you all to come back tomorrow on that, because, or you can come back at, I want to say 2:00 this afternoon. I'll be happy to do it at that time.
2:00 this afternoon?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
And
We'll
that'll
do
give you a chance to get all the paperwork done, right?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm working on it right now, actually.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to recall you at 2. We'll do that plea at that time. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
My client and I, we may be excused.
Yes, unless you need to stay on Zoom to work out the paperwork, whatever you need to do. If you need to go to a breakout room and confer with him, you can share the screen and get it all done. I don't know if that's to your advantage or not, whatever you want to do.
Sure. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so you want to go to a breakout room?
Yes, that'll be fine with my client.
All right, yeah. Leda will put you together in a breakout room. She'll send you that number. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank
All right,
you.
thank you.
All right. Who else has come back?
Excuse me.
Yes.
You haven't called on me yet.
What is your name, sir?
Johnny Mata.
Okay, so will you fix your screen, sir? Because I can only see the top of your head. Thank you. Okay, Johnny Mata, who is your lawyer?
I don't have one.
Oh, okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to go to a breakout room with our coordinator, Ms. Castillo. Well, before I do that, I got to give you a choice. Do you wish to have time to hire an attorney, or do you want to apply, see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney?
I was messaging somebody right now.
You're,
Later.
okay. All right. So then you want to get interviewed. Okay. And Aleda will go ahead and talk to you and get your information and take care of you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Am I excused?
I'm sorry.
Am I excused?
Well, have you already talked to Miss Castillo?
Not yet.
All right. No, you need to talk to her and give her your information and vice versa. Okay.
All right.
So you will get a prompt. It'll say join breakout room, whatever it is, 10, 11. You click on that and you go there, okay? But it's very important, sir, that you go ahead and talk to her because let me give you a reset date now. I want you to come back on December the 8th without fail, okay?
Okay.
Because if you don't come back and I can mark you present, my only option is to issue a warrant. I don't want to do that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't think you want me to do that either, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Mr. Mata, then go ahead and talk to Ms. Castillo in a breakout room. As soon as you see that prompt, click on that and you'll be in a breakout room with her, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Mata. All right. I see iPhone, but I don't know who that is. With the gray shirt, maybe it's blue. I can't tell for sure. What is your name, sir? Can you click on the little microphone icon? It looks like the old-fashioned microphone. Just click on that and you can unmute yourself.
Oh, Adrian.
Adrian. Are you Adrian?
Bustos.
Adrian Bustos, right.
Yes.
Let me see. Who is your lawyer?
It's Xavier Ibarra.
Okay, Mr. Ibarra is conferring on your case. Let me see. Where did I put that? I don't think I put it down. Let me see. So, Xavier Ibarra. And you're Adrian Bustos. And I'm marking you present. Okay. So let me see where Mr. Ibarra is. Yes, he's in room 11 waiting to confer. So will you hang out a little bit and stay on Zoom so he can know that you're here? Okay.
I'm sorry, I speak English a little.
Oh, no habla inglés.
No, poquito.
Oh, ok. Es que su abogado está ahorita esperando para una conferencia con el Estado y le estoy pidiendo que se espere hasta que su abogado ya esté libre para comunicar con usted. ¿Ok? Así es que mantenga su Zoom, ¿ok? No se vaya.
Ok.
Ok, gracias. All right. Ms. Vanessa Garcia.
Good morning, Your Honor. So I'm back from the breakout room and the state has conveyed an offer to me. So if we would discuss that with my client, I would ask for a reset in order to do so.
Okay. And is that on Paul Ferris?
Yes, Your Honor. Cause number 657408.
Okay. So you wanted just to reset that for now. You already talked to the state, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. How about December 8th? Will that work for you?
That works perfectly.
Okay. And we already took care of Dion Garza. He was ill.
Mhm.
And I reset that to January 18. And on Rodriguez, it's reset to December 8th. Okay, so you'll have two of them to come back. What about Vernon Hughes? We reset that. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all good, right? All
Thank
right.
you. May my client and I be excused?
Yes, thank you very much, Ms. Garcia. You have a
Have a
great
good rest of your
afternoon.
day.
You too. Thank you. All right. Mr. Ferris, you're excused, sir. You can log off, sir. All right. Okay, I am going to take a little break. I'll be here. I'll be able to hear. You're just not going to be able to see me. Okay, I am going to have to leave. I have someplace to be at 11:30. So, Mr. Sanchez, how are we on the paperwork on your plea?
Judge, if we were gonna do that, that was gonna be tomorrow. I needed to meet with you in a breakout room.
Okay, let me do that right now.
Thanks.
Let me see where you are. Do you have a breakout room? No, okay.
No.
I'm gonna send you to breakout room and I'll join you there, okay?
Okay.
I put them in one.
Okay, thank you. All right, I'll go to one and join you there, Mr. Sanchez. Okay.
Mr. Esteban Garcia, who is your attorney?
Hello, yes, ma'am. My attorney is Sharon Thorne.
Okay.
Hello? Let me see.
What happened there? Sharon Thorne.
Hello? Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I heard you,
Oh,
Mr.
okay,
Garcia.
I'm sorry.
Just
I'm
hold
sorry
on,
about that.
please.
I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Thorne, Judge is right now in a conference, but she's gonna come in. You may want to let her know that you are ready for a plea, and she's probably gonna let you come back.
Okay, well, we have it done. We would like to reset it for a plea like, this week or next week, if we could.
Do you have the paperwork ready?
No, we don't have the paperwork. We just got a new offer, so I'm going to email Chris his email, and I can email you his email. If we could just get a reset for a plea like next week, if that's possible.
Next week. Wow, already November.
Not Tuesday. Tuesday's a bad day.
Yeah.
I've got
Okay. November 4?
Yeah, sounds good. Yes. And I will email you his email, and I'll do the same thing with Chris so we can get that done. And
Chris is your best bet, or Brett Boses to send
right,
that.
I was just dealing with Chris. Okay, so what time would we be doing it? About 10 o'clock again?
For a plea, probably 11:30.
11:30. Okay. All right, thank you. And may my client and I be excused?
Good to go.
Okay. All right, thanks.
Ms. Castillo, this is Dave Sanchez.
Yes, sir.
I'll be emailing you my client's email so we can get the plea done tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ms. Castillo. So Xavier Ibarra. Where'd she go?
Were you going to make an announcement to the judge? After
Well,
confirming?
I was in a breakout room, but then there was a note saying that that you didn't put me on the list.
Oh, no, that was earlier, sir. Because I
Oh.
wasn't, yeah, that was earlier. But
Oh,
you're
okay.
you're back on breakout room 11, so you can go back.
Okay,
Yeah.
if you could just send me back. And can my client be excused? He's at work right now. He took an hour and a half or two from work, and because I'd like to confer, but I was still going to ask for more time after conferring with the state.
I think the judge did excuse him, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
Yeah.
He was kind of confused, and I said, yeah. Okay, so well, then just send me back to 11 then.
Actually, if you can just move that mouse around there, it will get you back to room 11.
Move it around where?
You
leave?
Are you in on a computer?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, right down there where it says breakout room.
No, I got out of the breakout room.
Station there, so.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Yeah.
I'll click it. Okay, thank you.
Aleda, may I approach?
The judge is going to be here shortly.
Oh, very well, thanks.
Need to go to confer with the state?
I don't think so. Two cases have felony pendings, and it's just I have the inmate, if the other court-appointed lawyer filed the motion to withdraw.
He was going to talk to you and see about that. I think he was going to discuss that with you first.
Very well, Judge. I'm sorry.
Aleda.
Aleda. Leda, it's Brian O'Donnell again. Is it possible I could have a breakout room with Mr. Jackson, the inmate, while we wait?
Yes.
Thanks.
Howdy. Is a coordinator in?
Sorry, yes, I mean, did you need to go to a breakout room to confirm with the state?
Yes, please.
Ms. Castillo, do we have anything for the afternoon?
I believe the judge has a plea at 2:00, yes. And they're working on the paperwork.
Copy.
Yeah. Last week. Yeah, now I'm just
Good morning,
trying.
Ms. Calderola. Did you want to confer with the state?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
No, it's a later.
Can I speak to the coordinator?
Sure.
All right. Cornelius Cox. I never, I didn't get the DA yet in the breakout room. Is there any way that I can just?
I think there's only one person ahead of you, so if you want to go back,
Okay. All right.
it shouldn't be that long, sir. Mr. Palacios, have you conferred with the Mr. Brian O'Donnell regarding the compliance hearing first? This is on James Jackson, right? Yeah, okay. Mr. O'Donnell, do you want me to put you in a breakout room with the pretrial officer?
That'd be fine. We were going to ask to lower the bond. It's at 150. He can't afford it.
There's a compliance hearing, and then when you come back, you and the
Okay.
pretrial officer can
Okay, great. Thank
pull
you.
that to the judge. Let's see. You can go back to room 1, Mr. O'Donnell.
Okay, thanks.
May I go back to the breakout room with him, please?
Let's see what they say first, and then just be patient.
All right, I appreciate you.
Hi, Mr. Schaefer. This is Aleda. Did you want to get in line to confer with the state?
Yes, please. I'm sorry, did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, this is Kyle Simpson. May I approach?
He will be with you shortly.
Okay. I'm gonna have to log off and log back on. Is that okay?
Fine.
Thanks.
We'll wait for you.
Later, should I go back to County Court 8 and then come back again?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll be back as soon as I can. Thanks.
Later, this is David Cuellar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I'm back from conferring with Mr. Lowry. Yeah, I don't know if I need to approach the judge or just give you the announcement.
Oh, well, she stepped out. Is it going to be a reset or?
Yes, Mr. Lowry requested some more time because he's going to make a decision on whether to reject the case or not, and he just needs a little more.
Find you here, Mr. Cuellar. Oh, is this on Looney Jarrell Lazard?
Yes, it's on Rodney Lazard.
Okay, it's still a no file, so that would probably, would for January the 5th?
January 5th? Okay. Yes, he says still not filed.
Yeah, no file yet.
Okay.
You send me back to breakout room.
Right away?
These cops back to a breakout room. With the district attorney.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mr. Mauricio, your attorney is Fernando Ramos, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he was gonna work on some paperwork, so you may need to call him because I think it's a plea paperwork that y'all are gonna be discussing.
Okay. All right. So I have permission to leave then, or?
Yes, Mr. Ramos is already gone. He's probably working on that paperwork. It may be done for tomorrow, so please keep in touch with him.
Yes, ma'am, I will. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Hi, Aleda. This is Marisa Morales. I'm here on Angel Gomez, who is not present again.
Okay. I believe it was a compliance hearing. Were you able to also discuss it with the pretrial officer?
She can't, we both can't find, nobody can find him. I was here 2 weeks ago and we can't find Angel Gomez. So there's not.
Okay, I know it was a compliance hearing that the judge had set, and then Angelini reset it to this date. I do need you to make that announcement to the judge. The judge is not here yet. She will be here shortly.
Okay, I actually did speak to the judge when I was here last time, but
Judge Saldaña?
yes, I was actually on vacation, but yes. But anyways, I zoomed in to let her know and she said, go ahead and see if you can keep trying and then we'll come back in 2 weeks. So I'm back again, but still not answering and not returning the calls. So anyway, okay, I'll wait for the judge. Thanks.
Okay, Mr. Simpson, did you want to make an announcement? The judge has stepped out, but I can see if I can help you. You're muted.
If you want to give me a reset, I can reach out to the prosecutor off docket and talk to them.
Okay, let me look for you here. Case number.
Case number is 669-118, page 8, Anna Olivares.
Okay, December 8th.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. And Mr. Zamora, if you need to approach the judge, she'll be back at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On the same link?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Morning, Aleda Butler.
I'll be right there. Okay, Ms. Morales, I think we're gonna move this for 2 o'clock, so you can make that announcement to the judge and let her know and see
Okay.
what she needs to tell you, okay? If you can
Okay,
pop
yes,
in
ma'am.
at 2 o'clock, please. Thank you so much.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Will do. See you then. Thank you.
Mr. Palacios as well at 2 o'clock, because this is gonna be a compliance hearing. So we'll see you at 2 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, very good. But Mr. Jackson, could you let the deputy know that you can go out for lunch and then you can come back at 2 o'clock, because this is gonna be a compliance hearing, okay? Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, Mr. Fenari, I'm sorry. Were you gonna do a plea or?
No, just another reset, pre-trial.
Okay, let me look for you in the document. Okay, on David Louise Johnson,
Yes,
got a couple of cases.
Yes.
And one of them is a no file. So this will be till January 5th.
okay.
Is this all you have, or did you have another one?
There's 3 total. Which is the
Oh.
no file?
The no file is on David Louis Johnson, 655902.
Okay, so there's 903, and then there's a third one, 662-384. So all for that same day will work.
Yes, of course. Everything will be the same date.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Okay. Stay safe.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Ibarra.
Yes, I conferred with the state and they gave me an offer. I just need a reset so I can confer with my client.
Okay, we'll put you for December the 8th, but if you are ready to go, just let us know and we'll be happy to put you in earlier, okay?
All right, then December the 8th, and that's on the, yes, 2 cases.
Yes, that's on Bustos, Adrian Bustos,
Yes.
the 622602 and 623222.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. You stay safe.
All right, you too. Thank you very much.
Ms. Calderola, your client is in the courtroom.
That's excellent, Your Honor. I can.
No, this is a later.
Oh, okay, later. The DA is going to recommend a dismissal, and so I just want to announce that to the court, and I'll talk to my client.
Okay,
right.
I'm still gonna reset it just so they won't fall through the cracks, like maybe a month.
This is a dismissal, Alita.
Yeah,
There's nothing
I'm
to do.
aware,
I
but
don't want to have to
sometimes.
come back for
No,
that.
you don't have to come back. If the dismissal is there, they'll waive the hearing, so you can always check. If you don't get invited, it's because the dismissal was done, but I have to set it, okay?
All right, okay.
All right.
And I want to talk to her in a room if I can, or do I need to announce that to the judge?
No, I can put you in a breakout room.
All right, okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Sorry I was late. I just had a lot of other cases.
That's okay. Let me put you in a breakout room with the, oh, there you are. Yeah, I'm gonna put you in room 1.
All right. And she'll be in there? That's good.
Yes, she'll be
Okay.
in room 1.
Thank you, Alita.
Thank you. Stay safe. I'll be right with you, Ms. Bloomster and Mr. Schaefer.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Bloomster, I'm sorry. You had
Edward
case,
White.
What is your case number? Look for it real quick. Here you go. Edward White. He's got a felony pending, and I don't see him here. I don't think he appeared.
He's in jail.
Oh, okay. Must be in jail
And
through
his
the
felony,
Okay.
his felony is set in the jail court docket on the 28th at 1:30.
Of October? Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Then we'll set this one. Is it going to be combined together?
I think we'll be able, hopefully, to get this one taken into consideration with the felony.
Okay. Well, let's reset this to December the 8th, and hopefully it'll go away.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Schaefer, this case is that you have?
Yes.
I think your client is here.
Yeah, he should have gotten on way earlier.
Yeah, he did. He did. He's been here waiting patiently. Thank you.
I understand. I've spoken with the state. My client has cases in County Court 7 as well. The cases here in your court are going to get dismissed if we can resolve the stuff in 7.
Okay. Do you have a date already for the other court?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's put it for December the 9th,
Okay.
and maybe it'll go away by then.
Yeah, hopefully between now and then they will go away.
Okay, well, good. Thank you so much.
If you could put me into a breakout room with my client and then we'll both leave from there.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I'll do that right now.
Thank you, Aleida.
Yes, sir. And that would be Anthony Freeman. There we
Yes.
go. Put you in room 2. Were you able to meet with her?
I did, and I told her that that they were going to recommend the dismissal. So do I need to wait for that today, or can I leave?
No, you may leave. You
All
may
right.
leave.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a good one, Alita.
Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What happened to this?